All right, welcome again to another edition of Evan's Condo Cooking with a special guest, Curtis Pachoka, who caught this fish. Let's see it, Curtis.
That's Captain Curtis to you.
Oh, Captain Curtis. Captain Curtis, tell us about this fish.
Well, we caught it yesterday. Just yesterday, it was swimming in the sea. Then we landed him in the kayak. And now he's stiff as a boomerang.
Stay tuned. This fish is gonna get fried. All right, first we're gonna prep the side. These potatoes about to get cut. Oh wait, time out. All we got here, some olive oil, salt, hit it with pepper. And give them a good toss. Get them into the oven, 425, top rack. And now I'm gonna turn it over to my good friend, Captain Curtis, who's gonna teach us how to cut up this trout.
Captain Evan, thanks again for inviting me to your lovely home. And also Mrs. Greenfield too. Thanks for letting us cut up fish. Welcome back. So Evan's taken over the second batch.
All right, folks, I hope I can do just as good as Curtis. Look at that fillet, barely fits on the plate. Here we go, second side of the fish. Honey, I love you so much. Thanks for letting us cut up that fish in your kitchen. The timer just went off for the fries. Let's see what we're working with. Five, these things are screaming. Look at that. Woo! I say we flip them and get them back in.
And we have butter. You can never have too much butter. So we're gonna butter these bad boys up right here. All right, now to the seasoning. Welcome back. So we have two selections today with our two fillets. One is the undefeated Paul Magic Blackened Seasoning. This seasoning has never been beaten. Every meal in this kitchen has won with this seasoning. He's the Mike Tyson of seasonings. This guy. Oh. Cause then you wanna not only blacken it, but double blacken it right there. Yeah. Some blackening on that guy. Every part of that fish blackens, and then you double it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's pretty good there. Thanks. And then in this corner, we have the newbie, the Everglades seasoning, which we're gonna try on one fillet. Doesn't stand a chance, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm not gonna go too heavy with this guy. Lightly there. So you see the blackening is already taken over this fight here. Okay. And then finish it off with the Everglades on the back. And there we have it.
That's hot. Whoa, look at that fries. Perfect. Right there, right on time. 425, 25 minutes.
Welcome back. Time to put these fish in the oven. All right, let's take a peek. Woo! All right, it's time to flip them.
Oh Muncher. The Fry Muncher's here. Ooh, doggies, we did it again. Setting off the fire alarm. Get it to stop beeping, hun. Get it to stop beeping.
It's not working.
Blow on it.
Ah, thanks, Aria.
Always sneaking in the chef's kitchen. She's always sneaking the ice cream. All right, y'all. Look at what we got here. Plate full of fish and fries. Which one are we gonna start with first?
I say we start with the Everglades.
Not too shabby.
Not bad.
On to the blackened.
All right, the defending champ. It's never been beaten.
Cheers, mate. I don't know.
It's close. It's closer than usual.
I'm gonna have to give it up to the Everglade.
Yeah, I think it works better with the trout.
Successful day
Now for the fries.
for the fries. Never go wrong.
I think the fries win.
Got some clean plates here. And that's what we call another successful day in Evan's condo cooking with Captain Curtis.